Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I just wanted to take a minute and tell you about these amazing salt and pepper shakers. So these amazing salt and pepper shakers are from Gourmet, which is a wonderful company that I've learned a lot about. It's run by a single mom, and she's had it for several years, and she's working her tail off to make it a success. And from using these products, I can tell that she's going to be very successful at this. These are a wonderful product. So you can see that it comes bigger ones, and then you can also get the travel size. I keep the travel size on my kitchen table, and I keep the bigger ones over by the stove so I can use them. You can see how easy they are to use. It's just the push of a button and you've got as much as you need. I also love that they're so easy to fill. You can fill them with rock salt or Himalayan salt, and then just some ordinary peppercorns for the pepper mill. So you screw the top back on. You can see in the window how everything fills up. You can see when you're running out of salt and when you need to refill them. And I've got to tell you, we use a lot of salt and pepper. I use it in all of my cooking, and we use it, at the table. And just the amount that you put in there, it actually lasts for a long time. So that's a really good feature. You're not constantly filling this thing. And even if you have to, it's really easy to fill. And you can see in the window there how you're doing. So I like that feature also. The travel size ones are just as easy to twist off, open, and use. So something that I wanted to quickly bring out is that there is a version of these, a knockoff brand, but they are just not as capable as the original ones. They're not as sturdy and durable. So overall, I give these salt and pepper grinders a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend them, and I really think you'll love them too. And that's my point of view.